Welcome to this interactive pro review. I'm Kimberly Hash-DeVries in cooperation with Sam Backer and Simon Warner. We want to welcome you here today. So let's talk a little bit about what Interactr Pro does. Now it shows a personalized video to your viewers. So once you start using this feature, your audience automatically feels like you're talking to them. It makes it more personal, makes it more face-to-face. It creates engaging videos that do convert. Now with different layers to your video, you can keep your audience glued to the computer screen while they listen to you and only you. You don't have any distractions and no attention drop-off. This is a big benefit. Multiple video funnels create funnels that are inside your videos. This eliminates any additional steps and gets people to buy from you right then and there. Also, you can add actionable layers over your video, placing buttons, pictures, calls to action, and many other elements over your video. Now, this makes it easy for your customers to buy and give you cash right away. So, it also delivers the bespoke sales pitch. Now, basically never sell meat to a vegetarian ever again, right? Using this software, you can tailor your marketing message to each and every person who's watching. You can double your conversions in 24 hours or less. You don't have to leave money on the table anymore. You can collect your cash as soon as possible while the leads are hot and ready. You can crush your competitor with zero attention drop off. This is very powerful. Have you ever felt like your audience gets bored with your videos? Well, you can eliminate this problem with engaging videos that keep your viewers' attention. You can track your customers with FBI accuracy, gaining insight into all the crucial data of your videos and customers. You can see what converts most and you can optimize. So here's the results that you can expect with Interactr. You can create hyper-engaging videos that are tailor-made for each and every customer without any additional work. So you get choices given to your viewer that you can then deliver the right message to the right person. And of course, what's the result of that? Much higher conversion rates and happier customers. It's super simple. A couple of steps here. You're going to segment. That's basically you're going to drag and drop your video segments into Interactr's editor. You're going to layer, create personalized interaction layers for each segment. I am going to show you more about this. And then also you can track. You're going to launch Interactr, track your conversions, tweak them, scale them, and profit. Step number 1 is you log in and create a new project. You choose a template, very easy, or you can easily design your own template. Step number 2, you're going to upload your video and images to your media library, very simple. And step number 3, you're going to use the drag and drop editor to map out your video funnel. Step number 4, you're going to add multi-layer interactive elements. Let's get right in here to the demo. Okay, so here I am inside Interactr. This is the first screen you're going to see when you log in. You'll see Ryan right here. You can either go to training or go to projects. I'm going to go over to projects. You can either create a new project or you can edit an existing one. And because for the purpose of this video, I've already created one, I'm going to go ahead and go into edit. Okay, these are the different videos that I have that are going to be options in the video you're about to see. So I've created different videos on the pricing, sales funnel, intro review video, and a bonus pack. And I've added them right in here. And the way that you pull them in is you either drag and drop, or you can browse and grab from your computer, or you can enter a URL. So you just grab your video, put your video in here, drag it over, and place it where you want to place it. I'm going to go ahead and go into here and show you how this works. Now, here's the timeline down at the bottom. You can take and move your little cursor over to where you want to add a button, for example, or a hotspot, that type of thing. Now, I've already put the buttons in here, but what I have done is selected a hotspot. And the hotspot means that basically I've selected an area that's going to be clickable. And then here on the left side, I can select what elements I want or what I want to happen when somebody clicks on that. So for example, I can say do nothing. I want to play node, meaning play the next video. I want to open a URL, skip to time, or open a pop-up. So that's what I've already done on here, is just kind of selected the hotspot. Now you can also add a button in here. I've put four different ones: sales funnel, pricing, bonus pack, and buy now. But you can go ahead and add a button in here if you want. You can also change the text. Okay, you can also make it so that somebody can enter their email address, and I'll show you that in just a bit. You can also enter custom HTML. You can pop an image in there, or you can use a pop-up trigger, and I'll show you that as well. I'm going to go right in here to Buy Now. This is my Buy Now button that I want to be clickable. And I'm going to want to direct people in order to make a purchase. So I'm going to go with Open URL, and then I'm going to put the URL I want them to be directed to when they click on that Buy Now button. So I'm going to go back over here to Canvas and open up the bonus pack here. And now I want to show you the pop-up trigger. So I'm going to come to the end of my video right here. And I'm going to show you how this all comes together after I'm finished. But I want to show you how it's done. And I'm going to come in here to my pop-ups, and this is where I want to put a pop-up that allows them to enter their email address. So I'm going to go ahead and select here, and I can type whatever I want in here. Get your coupon code is what I've put. I can kind of change this around, edit it, and then this is with the field where they will enter their email address. I can change the positions over here, and right down here you'll see that I can connect this right into my autoresponder. So I've gone ahead and already connected up Aweber, and I can select the list that I want that to go into. Now when somebody enters their email address, they will be entered right into my autoresponder. Really, really user-friendly right there, and it saves you a lot of time. So I'm going to save my changes, and then I'm going to go back over here. Okay, now I'm back to this screen. You can also go into settings if you want, and you can change some things around in there, just in your project settings. These are a couple of things you can change, have a thumbnail there and do autoplay, things like that. Then you can go into stats, and you can take a look at your stats in here as well. As you can see here, I don't have much yet because I'm brand new using this. And then you can also go into publish and sharing. You can change the width and the height. You can also look at publishing, and you can put your embed code in here. Grab your embed code and put it where you need to put it. Okay, and now that I've shown you all of that, I want you to experience actually how this works. So I'm going to go ahead with the video, and you can see how this actually plays out. Okay, so let's talk about why you should use Interactr Pro. You can stand out from the crowd with real-time dynamic response, allowing you to leverage that crucial pattern interrupt and keep attention. You can use video funnels to guide your viewers to the sale. You grab attention faster by asking your viewers questions. You get interaction to double your conversions and get more sales. And you leverage scarcity timers so that you can get them to act right away. You can build your email list fast amongst your viewers. So let's see it in action. What do you want to see next? You can select sales funnel, pricing, bonus pack, or buy now.